picture.
So guys, look, it's so
Yeah, I'm
really
ready to go for it.
dark. It's what time is it, mga kot? 2 o'clock?
I'm not
Line
sure.
it off to the bottom of the right of the
Ayan, madilim na guys. 1
Yep.
o'clock and
Because
57
you got to block
seconds.
pretty much a whole lot of magnitude of brightness to get the planet
Yes,
to show up there.
madilim na siya. Madilim ng buong paligid. Ayan.
How much out, kitty? No, the critters are not going to start. Well, they might start coming out. But they can get away with it.
Madilim na.
We can get away with it now. Oh, cat's gone.
Mag 2 o'clock na ng hapon.
Oh my gosh, it's really cool if you look around it. It's almost like a spirograph spin around
Right.
it. I think that's really cool.
Is there one little really bright spot at the bottom, or is it just my imagination?
Well,
Yes, there is a very bright spot at the bottom.
you'll have a coronal flare as the moon moves back away, and now that causes more blindness in people than anything else. But
Oh, it's like there's a really bright red
Somebody
spot at the
driving
bottom.
down there into your driveway.